Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your financial aid for study abroad with FAFSA detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching your study abroad program. Confirm that the program is eligible for financial aid. Contact your study abroad office for specific eligibility requirements. Gather documentation related to your program. This can include the program cost, duration, and location. Next, check your FAFSA application status. Ensure that it has been completed and submitted on time. Log into your FAFSA account to review your information. Make any necessary updates or corrections. Now, consult with your financial aid office. Schedule an appointment to discuss your plans. Bring your study abroad documentation to the meeting. Ask about additional funding options for study abroad. Inquire about scholarships, grants, and loans specifically for international studies. Complete the necessary paperwork for your financial aid office. This may include a consortium agreement if participating in a partner program. Follow up to ensure your financial aid package is adjusted. Understand how your aid will apply to your study abroad costs. Next, calculate your total costs for the study abroad program. Include tuition, travel, accommodation, and personal expenses. Determine how much financial aid you will need. Compare this against your available aid options. Now, keep track of deadlines for billing and disbursement. Ensure all financial aid is processed before departure. Stay in communication with both your study abroad office and financial aid office. Address any issues that arise promptly. Finally, review all your funding sources before departure. Make sure you have a plan for any additional expenses abroad. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.